Okay, so as I said, my camera would shut off, my phone actually, so it did, and I have no idea when that happened. But I was talking and talking, but anyway, this is what I've done with this page, and there's a leaf and this word on this brown cardstock piece, and I stamped the dragonfly, and that's that, and it looks really nice as far as I'm concerned. And now I have only this page here to... I'll glue this down, sorry. Okay. It's a tiny little piece. I have this page to finish, and then I have this lovely collage part to add to my journal. And I already prepared this for the cover. It's a very flexible, corrugated, like cardboard. I'm not sure how you call it. But what I do with that is this. This is the same thing, and it's going to be that nature journal that I started making, and I glued to the inside this eco-dyed piece of fabric. There's not much on it as far as the prints go, you know, the leaves and stuff, but there is a little bit here and there. But the colors are really nice. I know my camera is really horrible at showing colors, but it is really nice. So it's now you can just, you know, it's still flexible, which is great, and it's light in weight. Oh, I'm a poet. But it's really sturdy now, and it will not be able to go anywhere. Yeah, I'm joking. It's not going to tear or anything. So this thing is already cut, and it's going to be like a small journal, and I'm going to do the same thing to the inside of it. So yeah, let me try, and I just hope that there is enough memory on my phone to make a video of this page, and then I will have to finish because, you know, I don't want to make this like 200 parts video. So I will try to use this piece, and maybe this piece, and that could go like that. Cool. And what else? No. Yes. Yes. See? Ooh. Not bad, but it's not long enough. And this is too big. So if I put it like this, and I want some letters to show here and there also. Yeah, I like this. So first I have to glue this one down. Like so. Yeah. cover these big letters here because I don't like them, but I don't want to cover the number of this page because I just like it, and I like that to be seen. I don't know why. Sorry about my weird noises. I keep doing that. Always. Because I like to joke around, and even when life hits me hard, as it is doing currently, and has been doing for the past 2 years almost, I am still trying to laugh and joke and have fun as much as I can. So we'll see what else I'm going to add to this page. I don't know now. And I really enjoy in this kind of process because it's fun, it's almost meditative or meditative. How do you say that, guys, in English? And let me check it's still filming. Oh, I'm off frame, sorry. And I really enjoy this. It relaxes me, it allows me to play, to just, I don't know, not think about the ugly stuff. What about these coffee filter flowers? Oh no. I don't know what. Too literal. Literal. My boys are back. I can hear them coming home. Yeah, maybe this. Let's try. Ciao, Pile. I just said hi, baby. Roughly translated. Or honey. Actually, Pile means a baby chick. But that's what we say here. So, let's see. Now, you see, I want to cover these sharp edges because I haven't tore them straight away. I like that. I'll do that. Oh, let me try something. Let's see. Oops. You see, I have all kinds of things here. Let's put some cheesecloth. First. Like that. Yeah, that looks nice. Okay. So I have to keep it in place. Whoops. Stay. A little bit. No, it's not necessary because this is going to cover that up. And now, because I have these frayed edges, they covered the ugly part. So now I can see where I want it to be. Here. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Am I going out of frame. There it is. I like that. And I need to glue this down just a tiny bit. Yeah. Not too much. There are still parts that are not glued down completely, which is what I want. And that's it. Let me try and show you a little bit closer. Can you see? Yeah. That's really nice. I like that. I like that. That's really nice. So guys, that's one whatever that is part of a signature to be. And yeah, that's how I work most of the time. It depends on the materials I use, I use sometimes paint or all kinds of different things, but basically that's kind of how I do it. I just sit down and start and then see where it goes. I have, a rough idea. Of course, you gotta have a rough idea. If you want something to be maybe like more in a nature style, or maybe as I plan to make a cat journal or a dog journal or stuff like that, or maybe shabby chic, whatever. But except that rough idea, I almost never know exactly what I'm going to do. And even if I kind of know, it always ends up somewhat different. So, I mean, different than what I thought it would be. But anyway, if you're still here, thank you very much for watching. And I hope this was a little bit helpful, maybe inspirational, maybe. And let me take these out again. You can see other examples. And yeah, I hope to see you next time. And maybe, just maybe, with something else that we could create together. And until that time, I hope you are having a wonderful life. Laugh as much as you can and love as much as you can. And see you guys next time. Bye bye.